Two-headed animals that you have never seen before. Number 1. Two-headed albino snake. These snakes of the albino species are very rare because they are rarely seen. At the same time, it is almost impossible to see a two-headed snake of this species because they are born only once in 100,000. Number 2. Two-headed shark. This shark is so rare that very few people have seen it so far. The chances of finding it are almost negligible. But recently, a fisherman found a two-headed shark off the coast of India. Number 3. Two-headed turtle. These turtles are unique as well as very valuable because the probability of their birth is only 0.001%. Apart from this, a similar turtle was also found on the coast of Mabul Island in Malaysian Borneo.